Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best toys is probably one of the most exciting and important purchases a parent can make for their 2-year-old, as these formative years are crucial for development and learning through play, and finding the perfect gift can feel overwhelming with so many options available. But rest assured, we've curated a list of top-notch toys that are not only fun but also incredibly beneficial for your little one's growth and exploration during this vibrant stage of childhood. Number 5. LeapFrog Scout and Violet 100 Words Book. Say hello to Scout and Violet. They are here to introduce your little one to over 100 essential words, carefully selected by learning experts. Discover words across many categories, including pets, animals, food, colors, and even opposites. There's so much to learn and explore together. Simply touch the words on the pages to hear them spoken aloud, along with fun sound effects. It's an engaging way to build vocabulary. Press the light up star button to hear the catchy Learning Friends theme song and the My Favorite Word song. Learning has never been so musical. Enjoy a full bilingual experience as words, songs, and instructions are available in both English and Spanish. It's perfect for expanding language skills. This book is designed for children 18 months and older. It comes with demo batteries, but new batteries are recommended for extended play. What we like. This interactive book introduces over 100 essential words in both English and Spanish. If you are looking for a way to expand your child's vocabulary and introduce them to a second language in a fun way, this is a great choice. It's perfect for little ones who love to touch and explore. What people say. Great for kids to learn words and meanings. Fun and bright colored and great quality. Speaker is clear. Durable for active kids and engaging for little minds. 2 volume levels and Spanish as an option. This is a fantastic interactive learning toy that doesn't involve a screen, and it's become one of our go-to items for car rides and travel. Durable, engaging, and perfect for little hands. Number 4. Prextex 2-pack cartoon remote control cars for toddlers. Get ready for double the excitement with 2 awesome remote control cars. They have different frequencies, so you can race them together. Enjoy honking sounds, flashing lights, and fun music. Designed for your little one's first remote control adventure, these cars are super easy to drive. The controllers have just 2 buttons for simple forward and backward fun. These toys bring playtime to life with realistic sirens, honking sounds, and bright flashing headlights. It's an engaging experience for toddlers aged 18 months and up. Getting started is a breeze. Just pop in the batteries, not included, and you're all set for hours of indoor fun on any smooth surface. Looking for a fun and safe gift? These cars are perfect for holidays or birthdays, providing endless imaginative play and enjoyment for children 18 months and older. What we like. Get ready for a racing adventure with 2 remote control cars that can race together. If your toddler is just starting with remote control toys and you want something simple and engaging with fun lights and sounds, this set is ideal. It's perfect for siblings or friends to play together. What people say. The steering wheel controllers are easy to use, the lights are exciting, and the police and race car designs are super cute. The cars also sing a song and have lights when you press a button on the vehicle or driver. The police car has an extra sound of sirens, but the song is the same for both cars. The range is pretty good for small kids. Far enough that you don't have to stand right next to the car to make it move, but not so far that the car disappears from your view. They're very fast, go on carpet even. They're very safe with no hanging wires and very easy for them to use. Lightweight and cute with little lights, sounds and music. Number 3. Little Tikes T-ball set, red. Introducing a fun way for your child to learn baseball, softball, or wiffle ball. This set provides excitement as they develop their sports skills. It helps improve your child's motor skills, batting abilities, and hand-eye coordination. Watch them grow into a pro with this engaging toy. Designed for toddlers of various heights, it allows them to play independently or with friends. They can experience success and add excitement to their playtime. With an oversized bat and included balls, hitting is made easy for everyone. Boys and girls can join the fun and imagine the cheers of the crowd. When playtime is over, this lightweight set can be easily stored. Its special design allows it to hang on the wall, saving space indoors or outdoors. What we like. This T-ball set is designed to grow with your child, featuring an adjustable height T. If you're looking for a toy that helps develop hand-eye coordination and introduces sports basics in a fun, accessible way, this is it. It's great for both indoor and outdoor play and stores easily. What people say. The quality of this T-ball set is excellent, made of sturdy hard plastic that feels like it will hold up really well. The balls are a great size, much larger than a regular baseball or softball, making it so much easier for little ones to hit. The base was very stable, making it easy to hit the balls. Nice and sturdy with large bat and balls appropriate for toddlers. Number 2. Wooden Racetrack Car Ramp Racer. Prioritize your child's safety with our high-quality wooden racetrack. It's made from durable, non-toxic materials and rigorously tested to meet the highest safety standards. You can be confident that the pieces are secure and won't come apart, ensuring worry-free playtime. Watch as 4 colorful cars race down the vibrant rainbow track from the top parking lot. This engaging activity not only provides endless fun but also helps develop your child's visual tracking skills. It's a thrilling experience for toddlers aged 1 and 2. When playtime is over, your little one can easily collect the cars in the top parking lot. This simple action helps foster a sense of organization and responsibility, ensuring no car gets lost. It's a great way to encourage self-sufficiency. This compact and sturdy racetrack is an ideal gift for birthdays or any occasion for children aged 1 to 2. It requires minimal assembly, making it ready for fun right out of the box. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor play. Our racetrack is designed to promote essential developmental skills. It encourages hand-eye coordination, attention span, and cooperative play as children learn to share and take turns. It's a wonderful way for them to learn dexterity and repetition. This wooden car ramp toy is specifically designed for toddlers aged 1 and 2. The ramps are perfectly sized for the included toy cars, ensuring a safe and enjoyable racing experience. Your child's safety and your satisfaction are our top priorities. What we like. This beautifully crafted wooden racetrack is a top pick for safety and durability. If you prioritize eco-friendly materials and a toy that encourages fine motor skills and imaginative play, this is an excellent option. The built-in parking lot adds an extra layer of fun and organization. What people say. It seems well made and durable. The little cars zoom down the tracks. Its simple, interactive design allows your child to quickly catch on for hours of play. We also love the size. It's not oversized and can even be stored on a bookshelf depending on how far you have the shelves apart. No batteries needed, not a ton of pieces, and holds their attention. Number 1. LeapFrog Scoop and Learn Ice Cream Cart Deluxe. Get ready to scoop up some fun. This ice cream playset comes with a magic scooper that lets you create tasty-looking treats with ice cream and toppings. It's a delightful way to introduce kids to colors and flavors. Learning becomes sweet with this toy. Kids can build memory and sequencing skills by following order cards to craft a unique ice cream masterpiece for pretend customers. Practice counting to 10 by pressing the syrup pump or coin button to add the perfect amount of syrup. Customers can even use play money to pay for their delicious ice cream order. Little ones can develop motor skills by pushing this ice cream cart all around the house. Serving ice cream to friends and family while listening to upbeat music makes playtime even more engaging. This fun ice cream stand is perfect for ages 2 and up. It includes tokens, an ice cream scoop, order cards, and various ice cream flavors to get the fun started right away. What we like. Let your little one run their own ice cream shop with this delightful cart. If you want a toy that encourages imaginative play, teaches colors, flavors, and helps build memory and sequencing skills, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for toddlers who love pretend play and serving up sweet treats. What people say. Lots of selections to keep multiple children playing at once. It has paper money and plastics coins. And a fun little register to ring up all the goodies for sale on the cart. It talks and suggests orders to increase interaction with the learning toy. It's sturdy, durable, and of good quality. The pieces are solidly made and easy to handle for little hands to work with. The scoop is magnetic and recognizes which color flavor it's picking up, then you press the button and it releases it. It's so fun. Love the popsicles as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.